Even a first offense DUI with no prior criminal history is going to face enhanced penalties if they have a minor in the vehicle, somebody under the age of 18, or they give a breath or blood sample that reflects the content of alcohol to be a 0.15 or higher. So if you have blood or breath alcohol content of a 0.15 or higher, or a minor in the vehicle at the time of the DUI offense, the minimum mandatory penalties will be enhanced by two significant ways. First, instead of facing a $500 to $1,000 fine in addition to court costs and all the other money associated with the mandatory sentences, you'll face a $1,000 to $2,000 fine. In addition, a regular first offense DUI does not have a statutory requirement for an interlock device. An interlock device is something that you have to pay for to have installed that can range from $100 to $350 depending on the provider. And you have to pay monthly inspection fees that can run anywhere from $60 to $100+ a month to have the device inspected and checked and calibrated. The device is something that's installed into your car and you have to blow into every time you start your car. It can be onerous, embarrassing, and frankly just a pain in the neck. But if you have an enhanced DUI first offense, you're going to find that you're facing double the statutory required fine and a minimum mandatory 6-month interlock device. If you do not comply with the interlock requirement, the Department of Motor Vehicles will suspend your license and will not let you reinstate it until you comply with that requirement, even if you finish all the requirements for court and your probation is ended. DUIs are serious enough, enhancements make them even worse. In addition to the statutorily required enhancements, most judges and prosecutors throughout the state will seek greater license suspension periods, greater probation periods, possibly more jail time, and they will require in a plea offer frequently more severe penalties. Also, if you're convicted, many judges will impose more severe penalties beyond the minimum mandatories as a result of the enhancement, in addition to doubling the fine and the interlock device required by law. A judge could order the interlock device for a period of longer than 6 months, but 6 months is the minimum required by the statute for either of those enhancements. DUI crash or property damage cases don't have the same type of enhancement in the sense that they double the fine or require an interlock device. However, the penalties that you're exposed to in a regular first offense DUI can be greater in the event that there's a crash or property damage of any kind. If you, a friend, family member, or loved one are facing any type of enhanced DUI offense, do not delay. Call us now. We offer a free consultation, and we're happy to speak to you about your DUI-related matter to determine how we can be of service.